How to care for hair in autumn and not damage it even more. Autumn is a time of year that brings us not only a lot of beauty around us in bright red shades, but also problems with health and weakening of the body. Also in the fall, due to climate change, our hair suffers. Many people notice that hair loses its usual structure and becomes dull and brittle. And there is nothing surprising, the summer sun acted on them quite aggressively. You need to choose the right cosmetics for care and adjust your daily diet. If the shampoo is chosen correctly, the hair can be strengthened and restore a natural healthy shine. Beauticians advise to add various oils to hygiene products, for example, sea buckthorn or burdock. If the hair is dry, before washing, you can rub a little oil into the roots and sit for 10 to 20 minutes. For washing, it is important to use warm rather than hot water. Too high temperatures damage hair. Also, do not comb wet hair. This is very harmful to the structure. And wet hair is undesirable to collect in the tail or braid. After washing, it is better not to wrap your head in a towel. Because of this, breathing of the skin is disturbed, and this contributes to brittle hair. By the way, in order for hair to grow faster and look healthy, you need to cut it about once every 3 months. Useful head massage, which enhances the blood supply to the skin and hair follicles. It is recommended to do it daily, especially at bedtime for 10 minutes. You can use a special massager. Recall that in the fall it is important to diversify food. The diet should be proteins, iron, zinc, selenium, vitamins A, E and group B, useful fatty fish and other seafood, nuts, eggs, liver, legumes, cereals. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.